gentlemen, welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we're going to talk about one of the two types of motor mounts you have in your airplane. So stand by. Now looking at this one from the bottom, as you can see, this is what you see in all the two-place airplanes except the AA1C. This is the conical mount. And it's because it kind of looks like a cone sitting on the ground, and then your motor attaches to the four motor mounts with straight bolts. And that's a conical mount. It tends to cause a little bit more vibration than the next kind of mount we're going to talk about, which is going to be the dynofocal mount. Now this is a dynofocal mount. It's in the AA1C, a shorter version of this. This is for the Cheetah and Traveler. The Tiger has a dynofocal mount, as do the Cougars. But a dynofocal mount, now the dynofocal mount, if you look at the pads here that your motor mount's go on, you'll notice they're all at an angle, and they're all pointing to a point in space about right here, which happens to be the middle of your engine. So this is a greatly reduced vibration kind of a mount. That's why the AA1C is the preferred, because it already comes with an AA1C mount and it's dynofocal. So the dynofocal and the conical mount, you definitely want to get a dynofocal mount on your engine if you can. For those of you that are converting your two-place airplanes, you can take a Cheetah Traveler motor mount like this. You can have it cut down to the AA1C size, retaining the dynofocal ring through here that you have, and then you'll have a dynofocal mount on your two-place. So we hope y'all all found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.